Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 35. These I do not wish to kill, though they may kill me, O Madhusudana. Even for the sake of dominion over the three worlds, how much less for the sake of the earth?
Chapter 1, Shloka 35. Etannahantumicchami gnatopi madhusudana apitrailogyarajyasya heto kinnu mahikrite.
In the last shloka we saw Arjuna's confusion, and he had lost all his self-confidence, and in the secret cave of his heart he wanted to retreat from the battle, and he was taking the cover of dharma to declare this. In this shloka he has expressed his decision, and we saw, but he was not getting any response from Lord Krishna. So he thought maybe perhaps I have not placed my case strong enough. So he continues now. Now here he takes the cover of renunciation, a false sense of renunciation, and also a large-heartedness. What he says is that even if my cousins were to kill me, I will not kill them. Now this is coming from the mouth of a warrior. For him, killing is like a sport. Now, to top it all, he goes further down, losing all his confidence. And what does he say? He says, I will not fight the war. You fight the war to win some domain. And here he would get back his kingdom. But he is saying, even if I get the domain of all the three worlds together, still I don't, much less so this kingdom which is already mine, but they have taken it away and not returning it. So this kind of confusion is going on in him, and this is going to go further. So in the next video we will see more. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.